What is up, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of some Alpine Offroad straps that actually just showed up this morning, which kind of completes a few mods that I've been putting together over the past week. So yeah, without any further delay, let's just turn around and get into it. I already opened the box, but I haven't actually opened the straps, so let's take a look, see what we got. All right. Yeah, those are sick. Those are cool. All right. I'm just going to put you down for a second. Okay. And there you go. That is the Alpine Offroad. And they call this one the Miami Nights, and it's a 3-point tire tie down for spare tires. That's because we're going to do bed mount a 35 like I showed you in the first video. We're going to bed mount a 35, so I just have to get the rings. So I'll need 3 rings so that I can hook these bad boys on. And then we'll have a full 35 that ain't going to go anywhere. Comes with the warning on there, straps, so you can set it all to what you want. Yeah, all in all, this is it's a really cool setup. Seems really strong, really tough too, good quality. Then they also included got an all black Alpine Offroad decal sticker, whatever you want to call it, and then we've got a white one here. You guys know I'll need black ones for the truck, so we'll get that in the works. And then the instruction sheet. So yeah, all in all, I'm super happy with it and can't wait to get it on the truck. Perfect. I just did the review for you guys of that strap, and then I was able to make an appointment to go and get the wheel and tire mounted up. So we're gonna go and do that right now. I got my daughter with me. Ivy Lynn. Say hi.
Hi.
So I got my daughter with me. There's the wheel, tires in the back truck. So we're gonna go get that mounted up, and we will catch you guys later. Okay, so it is much later in the day, as I'm sure you can see now. We've got the new spares just sitting in the back of the truck right now, and I've mocked up what the Alpine Offroad straps are going to look like. So we'll take a look right now at what the bed setup is going to be here sometime over the weekend. And there you go. I apologize in advance for the wind noise. But yeah, so that's what we're going to be looking at. Get that towed out of there, or at least the straps, because the black armor bed mat will be down there, which we got to rip this plastic one out. Move the whip back to here. It'll mount right there. We got the cable. Got to run it still, but yeah. So yeah, that's what she looks like with the Alpine strap. Let's get up here. There you go. Yeah, so pretty excited about that. It's the next day. Oh, excuse me. It's the next day, and we are going to start mounting the tie-down points for the tie-down strap, spare tire. So we're going to start mounting that, see what it looks like. Then that way, once the whole bed is configured, we can deal with laying down the black armor bed mats. So we'll go and we'll get situated, and then, excuse me, then we'll start drilling some holes in the back of the truck. So we'll catch you outside. Okay, so we're out here at the truck. I'll give you a quick little view of what it is that we're looking at. So let's do that right now. So these are going to mount into the bed with the rings inside of them. I'm not sure if you can picture what it looks like. Anyways, you get the idea. So it'll be like that, and then the strap's going to clip into it. We're going to do 3 of them. So we're going to drill into the bed. We're going to use the tape to mark it off, just because tape's easier to move. Drill it, hold it down, strap it, and then we should be good to go. We'll just get you set up on the tripod, and we'll get right into it. So have fun, stick around, enjoy.
Yeah.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about. Have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Alright everybody, so it is the next day. The camera died, so that's cool. So we did get the straps finished up. They're installed, tires installed. That's good to go. It will have to come out again to put the bed mat in, but that's okay. So I'm going to show you the finished tire, or the spare install. I'll show you that. And then while we're out here, I'm going to reverse mount my pods, or at least I'm gonna drill the holes and reverse mount them. Probably do the wiring tomorrow. The wiring's really already there. I just have to drop the wires down in the back and then run them up to the front. So we'll get back there. We'll drill some holes and we'll mount some light pods. So yeah. It's all mounted. Yeah, so what we're gonna do, let's get the truck here. Just put it down for a sec. So we're gonna do that on each side. They'll always be run on red rings. So yeah, it's gonna look good. So I'm gonna sit you down. I'm gonna get into that, and I'll check back in with you. We got the pods mounted up. Like I said, I'll actually wire them tomorrow, and they'll be working tomorrow. Yeah, that one needs to be painted, but whatever. I'm quite okay with that. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean up out here and head in for the night, and we will catch you tomorrow, and hopefully we will have some working lights. All right, so we'll catch you guys in the morning. Okay, so it's been about a week now since we put the rear pods on, and I spent a week waiting on wires. So the wire's now here. I went ahead and extended the wiring coming off of the lights to the control box so that they'd reach, and then we got the lights running. So we're gonna hop out of the truck and we're gonna take a look, see what it looks like, and see how I intend to run them. So let's go take a look. Okay, so there you go. There's the lights. That's how we're gonna run them. We're gonna run them all the time with red rings on as chase lights. So the wire itself just runs down there on both sides. And then you won't be able to see it, but we've got it running up. It runs all the way down the frame and then it runs up and it goes over to the control box. So yeah, that's how they look. I'm really happy with it, to be completely honest with you. I think that looks really good. Now I just need to do some amber ones as well. Maybe I'll just do a bar. Might put one of the bars right across there. That would be pretty cool. There's that tire setup, looking great. So yeah, that's what we got. Thank you so much for sticking around, checking out this video, as well as all of my other ones. Head over to Get Truck Supply Company so you can get some of the merch to help support the channel, because let's face it, whatever happens through there helps go towards the truck, and this truck is basically what the channel is about. So head over there, use code HATED. That'll save you 10% off of all of your orders, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.